Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a handbag unboxing and review from Lovevook Handbags, which is a handbag company that primarily sells on Amazon. You guys know I love these Amazon handbags. I think they're just such a great price. Amazon handbags have blown my mind. Before, if you would have told me 2 years ago I'd be buying handbags on Amazon, I'd be like, ooh, do they even sell handbags? And look at me now. I love the handbags. The great thing about Amazon handbags is they're generally under like 30 or 40 bucks, and they're actually great quality, and there's a lot of options out there. So today I have a unboxing on Lovevook Handbags. I'm so excited about this one, you guys. First off, this is how the bag comes packaged, which is really nice. I like how you can see the Lovevook dust bag through this. And it's just in plastic to protect it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay, so it comes with this dust bag on it, but it looks like it comes with an additional dust bag, which is a little bit, yeah, this one's a little bit better quality. It's a little cuter. It has Lovevook on it, which I'm actually loving that they have their name on the dust bag just like this. Super cute. And then it has a drawstring. I'm actually pretty impressed with that. That's really awesome that they have a dust bag. Dust bags are so important to protect your bags. So here is the handbag. Oh my gosh. Okay. So excited. So I'll just show you. Here's what it looks like. And then this is how it is wrapped up. So you can see there's handles that are wrapped up, and then there is actually a purse insert in here, like a purse organizer insert in here. So that is, I'm really excited about that. So this is the first purse I've ever purchased that already comes with a purse organizer. Purse organizers are amazing, you guys. They are so important for a bag like this just because you can literally fit so much in these bags. It's easy to lose stuff in here and like struggle to find stuff. The purse organizer makes it so much easier to find. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the wrapping on the handles. So one thing that's really nice about them individually wrapping these handles is that you just know there's extra precaution and extra care taken on these handbags. They're not just thrown in a regular shipping label bag and sent to you. These are actually like nicely wrapped. They're just taken care of. And this isn't like typical plastic wrapping. This is the soft foam, which is nice just to protect the bag. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is, wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is luxury, guys. This is amazing. Okay, so let me just show you guys the outside. We'll get into the inside after, but I really want to show you guys the outside. So, I think this is such a great handbag. I ordered it in black just because I usually wear black. I think black is very sleek. And I got this style because I really want to try out like a never full style bag. And so it's just open, it's really cute. It's, I would say, probably comparable to like the MM, but it's gorgeous. And then it has, the feet on the bottom are so nice, guys. Look at this. They're gold. They have the little stud. So nice. I love how like soft the bag is. It's comfortable. It's movable. It's not super stiff. The handles are beautiful. So the pouch right here, it does go all the way down. So you can actually put some stuff in here. Easy access, easy to grab. That's really nice. And then here is the back. So you can see, it's just pretty. So again, here's the inside. And then it has a little Lovevook tag. These are not just like typical clothing tags. This is a very nice look. They're actually like quality, thick little tags that have little bumps in them. The classy little, almost like it looks like pillowed bag. It's really pretty. And then on the other tag that it comes with, it looks like it just talks about maintenance, about keeping your bag looking its best. And then on the other side, it has all their social medias, and I will place all the social medias down below so you guys can check them out. So here is the bag organizer. It's so nice when a bag comes with its own organizer. I usually purchase them, and bag organizers are not the easiest thing to purchase because you have to go for the one that's going to fit your bags. Usually you have to measure it. Bag organizers are usually made custom to order. So to have one that already comes with this, you don't have to pay an additional 40 to 50 bucks for it, is great. So let's see what it comes with. Okay, so here is the organizer. It's all fresh and new, so I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit. So this is the organizer, and the cool thing is it has all these pockets, little spots where you can put like a lip gloss, you can put pens, you can put your cell phone. You guys know I love compartments and stuff like that. And then it comes with a removable, now I have not seen this before, a removable insert for the bag. So let me put this in and then I'll show you that together. So it just velcros in, which is super nice. And so you have that little insert, and it does have these pouches on the side, and then a big pouch on the other side, and then a zipper. So the zipper opens to one big one, which is really nice. I think this is really cute. And then it comes with this strap right here, which you can actually put on the inside and connect to your keys, which would make it easier to find, easier to grab. But I just thought that was a cute little extra. If you have a bag that is big like this and you don't have a bag organizer, you definitely need to look it up and get one for your bag. It helps keep the shape, as well as just, it keeps your life organized, and we all need to be a little organized. So here is the bag without anything in it. Let me talk about this little hook right here on the top. This is gorgeous. I used to not be a fan of gold. I was always silver. And lately I've been loving gold. I think gold looks so luxe. And if you can see this little gold hook right here, it's just so pretty. It's so delicate. It looks so nice. Very easy to unclasp. The inside of the bag, let me show you up close. So the inside of the bag actually says Lovevook here, and it has this nice pocket. It's very pretty. I cannot stress enough how nice and soft this bag is. I'm loving it. It's comfortable, it's soft, it's not stiff, it's not bulky. It's very pretty. This is made of really good quality material. This is really nice. So let's go ahead, let's put this in here and let's check it out. All right, so here is the insert in the bag. It's so nice. I really love the color. It makes it easier to find things. So if this was a black insert, it would still be kind of a struggle to find things in your purse. The fact that it's this pretty cream color, it's so easy. You can just look at it and see what you need to grab. It's gonna keep your bag standing straight up like this. Look at that. I'm not holding anything else, and like I said, it's very soft material, but look, your bag stands straight up. This is so important. So for storage or just using every day, the insert is a key feature I'm super impressed with. I love this. This is so cute. This is so cute. These handles feel so nice and sturdy and quality, but they are so soft. And when I say soft, I don't mean like the material is like thin or anything. The material is very nice and thick. It's just nice because it's not super stiff. This is a really comfortable bag. So just like any other bag review, I'm gonna go ahead and post pictures on my blog down below, and that way you could see how I choose to wear it and some daylight photos, because I know sometimes it's hard to see in the video with the lighting. This is such a pretty bag, you guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this. This is so nice. So I want to show you on my body the sizing. So this is just perfect for every day, for work, for going out, going to brunch. This is a really cute handbag. I'm loving this. The quality of this handbag is phenomenal. I actually own another Lovevook handbag, and I'm so impressed with it. I'm so in love with it. It is beautiful. This is just stunning. So nice. Again, let me show you the dust bag because I just want to show you how nice this is. Let's say your bag is going to be sitting, you're going to switch bags for a week, and you're going to put this bag, now you can either put the bag on display, which actually it fits on my shelves, which is really nice, and you can put it out like this, but if it's going to be anywhere that it might get a little bit of sun exposure, or dust, if it's going to be sitting for a little bit longer, it's nice to have a dust bag. I'm actually going to be putting my other handbags back in dust bags just because I feel I like to protect them, and I don't like to open this window in this room because of I just don't want the sun on them. And you guys are gonna think this is crazy because it's a thing with luxury handbags. You don't want them to fade or anything to get sun damage, so that's why you put them in the dust bags. Not that anything is gonna happen. Like, this bag is such great quality, nothing's gonna probably happen if it's sitting and gets some sun exposure or anything, but it's just nice to have a dust bag to protect it. And then you can put that on your shelf and it just looks so nice. I'm really glad they went with the white and then the black lettering because I feel like that looks a lot more luxurious than other dust bags I've seen. The white and black is just so nice and cute. But yeah, you can literally store it like this. Such a nice little extra. I'm telling you, you guys, this is such a great deal. You guys should check this out, especially if you like this style handbags. They do have 2 other colors right now currently that you should check out. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I'm more than happy to answer. I will link the handbag so you can check it out, and I'll link all of Lovevook's social medias. I didn't say this earlier, but this video is not sponsored. They did not pay me to make this video. I purchased this bag and I just really wanted to do a review on it. Everyone, I hope you guys are having a great week, a great day. Stay positive, lots of love. Thank you guys. Have a great day.